If you use a Windows computer and the copy and paste function, this hack is going to change your life.
So we all know about copying and pasting. If you want to copy something, you can right click on it and click copy. If you want to paste it, you can right click and paste. If you want to do it with the shortcut keys, you can press Ctrl C to copy on your keyboard and Ctrl V to paste. So that we all know. What you might not know is that the clipboard has a history from Windows 10 and 11. So to access that history, you press the Windows key and V on your keyboard, and what will pop up is not only the last item from your clipboard, but all the previous items before that. The reason this is such a game changer is, let's say you want to populate the to box of an email. Instead of going copy and back and forward, copy paste, you can stay on the one screen. You can copy everything, Control C, Control C, Control C in one go. You then switch to the window and you go Windows key V, and then you just select the item that you wanted. Windows key V, Windows key V, then select the second item, and then Windows key V, and then John. It's a real game changer and an absolute saver in time. Follow Solid Systems to keep updated with 365.